All right, Steven, I, up Big South Trailhead, on the cache. My dad and mom are upstream. We're gonna catch some fish, have some fun. Oh yeah, dude. It looks super tasty. All right, here's the stream where we're starting. A little bend, a little split, trees. We're gonna go downstream a little more and then start fishing. Chubby! Rookies on the Chubby, baby! Pretty little brookie. Chubby! He's pretty, man. Gorgeous brookie. Same hole we've been fishing in, but we just hooked into a really nice cutthroat. Really pretty cut, man. Look at that guy, gorgeous. Think there's more in here? Steven, the hole that doesn't stop giving. Woo! That's a good one. Look at that, nice brookie. Got 4 fish. Yeah.
So here's the map of the area. This upper stretch of the cache is awesome. There's so much public water. The Big South Trail follows it for miles, probably like 10 miles, and then that meets up with some of the other trails into Rocky Mountain, and that follows the river pretty much up through its headwaters. That whole stretch up there is just beautiful. Really, really cool area. Catching brookies throughout most of that area, and some cuts thrown in, kind of you've seen in the video. Had a great day. We caught so many fish on dries and nymphs and just all sorts of mix through there, but had a great time, and thanks again for watching, guys.
Nice. Another nice brookie. That was actually a nice fish.